diesel car ban. What we understand right now is in fact, the Supreme Court is in favour of the symbolic charge on the purchase of diesel vehicles. Let's get in Arun Nayal, who joins in with more details. And what exactly are some of the other key takeaways from the Supreme Court coming down heavy on diesel car makers, Arun?
Definitely. Supreme Court is dealing with issues on how to mitigate the pollution level in the capital. So those two issues before the court today were firstly the automakers' plea seeking to revoke that ban that was enforced in the month of December on 2000 cc and above vehicles. So today's CM, which is the automakers' body, was arguing in the case, and they were telling the Supreme Court, trying to convince the court that the vehicles, latest vehicles which are BS4 compliant, are far less polluting than vehicles which are of earlier technology. That is what they were trying to convince the court about. Now, Toyota also have finished this argument. It also said that the notion that higher the vehicle capacity, more the pollution is truly unfounded. There is no basis for it. It all depends on the quality of the engine. And in fact, what the lawyer for Toyota company, Mr. Kapil Sibal, told the Supreme Court is that their technology is so advanced that their vehicles pollute less than what petrol vehicles do. That is what the submission by the automakers was in this case. Now, the Supreme Court has indicated that it is in favor of a one-time charge in the form of an environmental pollution charge. That is what the court has said. It said that people who are buying diesel cars should know that they are buying a polluting fuel, and it said that prima facie it agrees to the view that diesel is more polluting than petrol cars. That is what they have said, and they said that it's just a case of finding out the modalities on what basis this one-time cess can be implemented. For instance, could it be on commercial vehicles or non-commercial vehicles? Depending on engine capacity, there could be an incremental cess, environmental compensation cess. That is what the Supreme Court has observed during the hearing today. Now, the second issue before the Supreme Court was the phasing out plan by both centre as well as state government, Delhi government, on phasing out diesel taxes in this case. Remember, NASSCOM, after both centre as well as Delhi government, NASSCOM also today approached the court saying that the industry is being affected due to this vehicle ban on taxis that has been imposed. It said that nearly 2.5 lakh people have been affected by this ban by the Supreme Court. So now the Supreme Court has agreed to hear it. Tomorrow they want, because Delhi government and the centre has come up with a plan on phasing out the diesel taxis in this case. Now this arguments are going to take place tomorrow as far as the taxi phasing out is concerned. But the diesel cars over 2000 cc case, a cess which the Supreme Court has observed that it wants to put, could be heard after the summer vacation.
Sure.
In this case.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.